on basic C program. The program is regarding addition of two numbers, in which we will enter two numbers and the program will give the output. Okay, the program the program the C program always starts with a header file header files. The basic header file we use is stdio.h. Here stdio stand for standard input output. For input we use scanf and for output we use printf. The use we will show you in further in the program. The other header file we use is conio.h. This header file uses the library functions clear screen and other library function getch. Clear screen is generally used to clear the previous output that we have written. Okay, the next thing we write is void main. In this the main content of the program is written. If we don't write this is a compulsory. So if we don't write void main, the program won't run. Okay, so now since the program is regarding addition of two numbers, we are declaring three variables, two for entering and third one is used as a result. So the variables we declare are num1, num2 and sum. Okay, now I have put the library function clear screen. This will, as I have already told, this will clear the previous result. Okay, now I am writing some of the steps. Now I am writing some of the steps regarding the program. Okay, the steps are as follows. The basic thing we use is we will declare the two variables, enter these values and we will and sum them. See, I have written a program. The first thing we print a message as addition of two numbers. This will print as a heading. Then next thing we write is first number. Okay, so and I have also used /n, and remember the slash is a backward slash. This slash is used to change the line. When we use slash, the line always get changed. Okay, the message we print is first number, and scanf is, I have already to enter the value, so we used %d and num1. Okay, this will enter number 1, first variable. Similarly the second will enter num2. Okay, so we have a little problem here. We have written one extra step. Let's erase it. So second number, and now we will perform the sum. Sum is num1 plus num2. Now the next step is we print the result. So the sum is %d. Except %d, the rest of the thing is printed as it is, and for %d we will print as sum. Now the program has been completed.
We are executing it.
Now we are executing the program. Now we will save the file as save. Now we will run the file in run, and it can also be used as Control F9 as written. Okay, now we will run the program. We will enter our first number as 7, second number as 9, and the sum is printed as 16. Okay, so the program has been executed. As you can see, the heading appears as addition of two numbers. We enter the first number, enter the second number, and the sum is printed. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Have a good day. Fuck off.